going on today, you guys? I'm here at the store looking for an air horn. Get ready, boy. Get ready for some pain. Ready for some pain. I ain't buying that shit. I'm gonna buy the big boy. The big one. Get ready for the pain. It's coming. It is coming. So I told Keegan why. I told him I was buying an air horn. It's because he works right there at Arby's, and he said, "I'll see you at Fred Meyer's." What are you doing? Showed him a picture of my air horn. He fucking saw it in the car.
It's gonna go up in the water and go.
He fucking saw it.
Yo, I'm gonna do that shit driving down the road. You think I'll play him? That shit froze the fuck out of my finger.
Yeah, don't.
Alaska, bitches. Yeah.
But I have my air horn behind the seat, and there's little pockets, you know. And when Katie get in that car, sorry, bro. I don't mean to do that. But when Katie gets in this car and we get a little bit away from her house, she in the pain. She in a lot of hurt. Ooh.
No.
Ooh. Calling Caitlin.
Yeah, she's calling.
Oh, she's calling Caitlin. So maybe I should wait until Caitlin gets in the car too. Oh no, I can't wait until Caitlin gets in the car because then she's gonna see it. She's gonna see it. You don't even know what I'm talking about,
No,
but they do.
She just forwarded my phone call.
Oh, that means she don't gotta go then.
No, just
Keegan
for
wants
her
to go.
house. No, Keegan cannot come.
Can you tell Keegan that?
Yeah, I will.
Okay, I'll give you the phone and you can tell him he can't come.
Are you recording this?
Yeah, because
Why?
there's no reason why.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Why
what?
didn't you do a vlog?
What do you think I'm doing?
Gang, 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 gang. Same. Yo, we could have videotaped. Oh, I got a Snapchat video.
Hey, look at that booty.
Look, you want to see the video? Look.
Hey, send that video to me.
No, I was like, I called the little kid. I said, "You fucker, get out of my way."
Why would you do that?
Because the fucker was in my way.
Doesn't. Watch this, watch this. Watch how I hold the door for her to get inside the car. Watch
They're
it.
so cute
Watch it.
together, man.
You gotta open the door for her,
Aww.
and she gets in. But she ain't gonna do it, you know. Hurry up and get in.
Get in the car. I don't want to.
Get in the damn car.
Okay, I'll get in then. You're going. You gonna sit in the back? Yeah.
Then I'll open up this door and hold it for you then.
Damn!
You quit slamming my doors.
Door. No, let me see it.
See what?
No.
So we had a pretty fun day with the air horn. I am getting ready for bed. Yep, yep, yep. So
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Just hit that like button.